Good morning, children. Now we are heading towards goods and service tax. Now let us see what is GST, goods and service tax. This is what we have to study in worksheet 3 in this chapter, profit, loss and discount. Children, we go to the market and buy things, and whenever we buy things, the shopkeeper says that the GST is this much and the GST is that much, and you have to pay for that GST also. Now, how the amount is paid to the shopkeeper when he tells us the GST? Let us see. Suppose we are buying a medicine. Let us say that this is a strip of medicine. Okay, this is a strip of medicine, and the cost of the medicine is rupees, let us say 180. The cost of this particular strip of medicine is 180. Okay, now if the shopkeeper says that the GST on this strip is 12%, then what amount will you pay? What amount will you pay to the shopkeeper? Pay to the shopkeeper. So here what we have to see, that cost price is how much? 180 rupees. And above this he will charge 12% of 180 as GST. Now GST is your 12%. That means GST is 12%. That means that GST will be equal to, this is GST percent, so GST will be equal to 12 by 100 into 180. This percentage is being charged on the amount to be paid as cost price. So if the cost is given as 180, then you have to pay an extra amount of 12% of 180 as GST. Now see 0, 0. Now here 2 5s are 10 and here 2 9s are 18. This is 12 9s are 108 divided by 5. Now let us see how much is 108 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 0. Now 8 is here, 5 1s are 5, 3. So 0.0, 5 6 are 30. So rupees 21.60 is the GST. Okay. So how much amount will you pay to the shopkeeper? You will have to pay how much? Rupees 180 plus this extra amount, that is 21.60, which is your GST. So that will come to be how much? See how much will be this? 180 plus 21.60. 201.60. Now the medicine cost will be rupees 201.60. He will not give you for rupees 180. So this extra amount which you are paying as GST, that is to be added to the actual price of that particular medicine. Okay, so this is how you find the value of GST. Now let us see the first question of worksheet 3. Okay, first of all I am reading the question. Rehana purchased a dress for rupees 5400 including 12% GST. Okay, so find the price of the dress before GST was added. Now children, what you have to understand here is, this cost rupees 5400 is the amount of the actual cost plus GST. Because see, Rehana purchased a dress for rupees 5400. That means this amount is along with the GST. So if let the price of the dress before adding GST be X. Suppose the cost of the dress before adding GST is X. Now see, what is the GST percent? GST percent is how much? 12%. So what will be the cost of the dress? Then the cost of the dress will be equal to x plus 12% of x, isn't it? So this x plus 12% of x is 5400, which is given because the cost of the dress is rupees 5400. This is as per the question. Now see, x plus 12% of x means x plus 12 by 100 into x will give you 5400. Now if you find out LCM, what will happen? 100x plus 12x by 100 will give you 5400. So this is equal to 112x. This implies 112x by 100 is equal to 5400. Okay. This means x will be equal to 5400 multiplied by 100 divided by 112. Let us see what is the value of this particular numerical expression. 5400 into 100 by 112. See, 5400 into 100 by 112. So see here, we have 12 here. That means 4 3s are 12 as per the divisibility test I am telling you. So this is divisible by 4. When the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So 4 say 4 2s are 8. So 32, 4 8s are 32. So here also 2 zeros means it is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8. 20, 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now this is 28 and this is 5400. Again there are 2 zeros at the end, so divisible by 4, and this is also divisible by 4. So 4 7s are 28, and see 4 1s are 4, 1 left, 1 4 14, 4 3s are 12, 2 left, 0 4 5s are 20, and this is 1350 into 25 divided by 7. So let us see how much is 1350 into 25. Okay. See, 25 zeros are 0, 25 5s are 125, so we put 5 here, we are left with 12. 25 3 is 75 and 2, 75 and 12, so 75 and 2 will be 77, 10, 87, so 7 and 8 here. 25 is 25 and 8, 33, okay. So we are getting 33750. Now this 33750 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28, okay. So 13 minus 8, how much is 13 minus 8? It is 5. Now bring down 7. 7 9s are 63, 7 8s are 56. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Now bring down 5. 7 2s are 14, 1, bring down 0. 7 1s are 7. So left with 3.0. Then 7 4s are 28, left with 2, 0, then 7 2s are 14. So I am leaving it. We are having 4821.42. So your answer is 4821.42. So before GST was added, the cost of the dress was rupees 4821.42. So the required answer is rupees 4821.42. Yes, dear children, now let us see the next question. Find the amount to be paid for the following items if 28% GST is charged on each item. See, a chocolate at rupees 150. The cost of the chocolate is rupees 150 and GST is 28%. Now you have to find out what is the actual cost of the chocolate. That means at what cost the shopkeeper will give this particular chocolate to the customer. Now see, GST is 28% na. So the price of chocolate is equal to rupees 150. Okay. So GST charged is how much? 28% of 150. So that will be 28 by 100 into 150. So 0 0 cancel. See here, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10 and 2 1s are 2 and 2 14s are 28. So this is 42. Okay. So now see, 150 plus 42 will be the amount the customer will have to pay for the chocolate. So the amount to be paid by the customer, amount to be paid for the chocolate by the customer is how much? Will be equal to 150 plus 42, that will be rupees 192. See, 50 plus 42 is 92. Okay. So this is the answer for your first point, that is a chocolate at rupees 150. Now see the next one. Second one is laptop at rupees 55,000. That means the price of laptop is equal to rupees 55,000. Okay. Now what is the GST? GST charged is equal to 28% of 55,000. So let us calculate what is 28% of 55,000. So 28% of 55,000 means 28 by 100 into 55,000. 2 zeros cancel. Now see, 28 into 55. Let us see how much is it. So 550 into 28. 550 into 28. 8 zeros are 0, 8 5 are 40, 4, 8 5 are 40 and 4, 44. Then see, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5 are 10, 0, 1, 2 5 are 10 and 1, 11. So 0, 0, 4, 5, 1. That is 15400. This is rupees 15400. So what will the customer pay for this laptop? He will have to pay the price to be paid by the customer will be equal to rupees 55,000 plus rupees 15400. Let us see how much is it. Okay, 0 0 4 5 5 10 0 1 5 1 6 1 7. That is 70,400. The customer will have to pay 70,400. Now let us see the third point. A perfume bottle at rupees 580. So cost of perfume is rupees 580. Okay. So now what is the GST charged? GST charged is equal to rupees 28%, is not rupees, is 28% of rupees 580. Okay. So 28 by 100 into 580. 0 0 cancel. Okay. Now here 28 and so 58 and 2 5s are 10. And here 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So here you are getting 14 into 58 by 5. Okay. So let us find out how much is this. 14 into 58 by 5. Let us do it in the rough column. 14 into 58. 4 8s are 32, 3 4 5 are 20 and 3 23. Okay. Now 1 8s are 8 and 1 5s are 5. So 2, 8 and 3 11, 1, and here 1, 6 and 2, 8. This is 812. 812 by 5. Let us see how much is 812 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, 31, 5 6 are 30, 1 and 2, 5 twos are 10. So you are left with 2.0. So 4s are 20. So you are getting 162.4. Okay, 162.4. What is this? This is GST. GST of perfume that is charged by the shopkeeper. Okay, so what we will say then, what actually is now, so the cost of perfume or the amount to be paid by the customer to get perfume bottle will be equal to how much? Rupees 580 plus this GST. Rupees 580 plus 162.4, that is 4.2, 742.4. Yes children, now let us see the third question. Raman purchased insecticides for his farm at rupees 23,600 including GST. Now see here, this is the amount paid by Raman to the shopkeeper including GST. Okay, if the CP of the insecticide was rupees 20,000, that means the price was 20,000 and the rest of the price, that is extra amount paid, was GST. That means 20,000 was the price and he has paid 23,600. That means the difference was the GST. What was the percentage of GST? Now let us see how this can be solved. See, what was the price of insecticide? Now see, price of insecticide was actually rupees 20,000. After adding GST, the amount paid for the insecticide is how much? Rupees 23,600. That means what is the GST then? GST is the difference of these two. Okay, so rupees 23,600 minus rupees 20,000. So how much is this? You can directly calculate it. This is 3,600. See, 23,600 minus 20,000. So that is rupees 3,600. Okay. Now what was the percentage of GST? How do you calculate GST? Always we calculate GST on the price of the object or thing, whatever we are purchasing. Okay. So whatever we are purchasing, on that price we are calculating GST. So we will be calculating GST on this. Okay. So what is our GST here? GST is 3,600. So GST percentage will be equal to 3,600 by 20,000. Okay, into 100. Because children, you have to keep in mind here, on what price do we calculate GST? That will be used here. See, 3,600 is over 20,000. When you are adding 3,600 to 20,000, you are getting the price to be paid by the customer. Therefore, whenever you get only GST, the percentage will be calculated on the price of the things whatever we are purchasing. So here 3,600 by 20,000 into 100. So see, 0 0 cancel. Now 1 0 1 0, both the zeros here cancelled. 2 1s are 2 and here 2 1s are 2, 1 left, 16. So 2 8s are 16. So this will be equal to 18%. So what was the percentage of GST? The percentage of GST was 18. 18. Okay.